Hey, guys. Hi, sis. Oh my goodness. Welcome. Oh my gosh. Sister Anna. Oh, sis, I'm so happy to see you. Come and sit down.
Let me take my shoes off.
Oh my gosh, Sister Anna K.
I'm here.
Finally.
Finally.
Jesus. Oh
You know
You're so
what?
pretty. You are so beautiful.
Thank
Sister Anna
you.
K, welcome to Jamaica, man. Really happy to see you. Girl, you have been on tea time. You're on Faith Walk. Oh my gosh. And now you're here. Now you're here. All the way from the UK. What was it though? How many hours ride was it?
I think it was about 9.5 hours. I don't know. Well, my flight got delayed for 3 hours initially, and then it was about 9.5 hours in the air, and then security check-in and all that. So, exhausting.
So wait, 9.5 hours like on in the seat, or you guys get a bed? What? How does it?
What?
9.5 hours. That's like the hours that you sleep.
I'm in the economy class. The seats, honestly, I'm just thinking that I don't know if it's me, but when I traveled before, the space wasn't so small. There was absolutely no leg room at all. I was sitting in the middle aisle, and the person in front of me chose to recline their seat. And oh my God, I need to start thinking about flying business and first class. But I'm just glad I made it.
Yeah, you and your daughter owes that though with her traveling with her.
It was difficult, if I have to be honest. It was difficult, but I'm so happy. It could have been better, but it could have been worse. So I'm really proud of her. This is her first time traveling.
Whoa.
This is her first time on an aeroplane. And it was such a long journey. And this is her first time being confined just to a small space for so long.
But did she move around? Because I know that you spoke on your channel that she's special, which I know that. But did she want to get up and all of that?
Yeah, she do her thing. She mostly was being a bit too like friendly with everybody. Like, but God just worked things out so well. There was this man, I was gonna say guy, but let me say that.
Big up to you, whatever.
There was this man sitting beside me, and I could see that it was a reserved person, but I did say to him about her that she is special. So he said, okay, that's okay. I've got a niece like that.
Oh my gosh.
And I said, oh, that's nice.
God,
How old is
listen,
she?
the people got angels. Oh my gosh. So you got an angel in your seat.
Yeah, and he was helping me because I'm telling you, she took her shoes off already to get comfortable. So it was the guy that was helping me to look for her shoe, and sometimes she started jumping in her seat, and just a little. She never. There was no tantrum. There was no outburst. There was no screaming. There was no crying, but just fatigue.
Okay.
Which even the adults, even myself,
9 hours, like me, I'll be like up in my husband's face, like I may be sleeping a whole lot, waking up, and so they feed you on the plane, like
yes, not a lot of food. And again, I don't even know. I don't even know if I'm allowed to say it, but but I flew with them before more than once, and it was better service. Like I flew out of England on January 3rd, and they gave us a Christmas lunch for the food for dinner.
Okay.
Like roast turkey and roast vegetables and Brussels sprouts.
Wait a minute. So what you got this time?
That's what they gave us for dinner. Like because as I said to you, that time that I came down, it wasn't Christmas. I'm flying in January. So why are you giving us a Christmas dinner? Like using leftovers or something. Oh my God. And they give us this sour pasta kind of thing, like I think they said that it was a tomato pasta
What
something.
airline? Talk to them. What airline was it?
That's why I said I don't know if I'm allowed, but it's
Why are you not allowed? You spend your
no.
money. You got it was a free trip.
No.
You are allowed to speak about them.
Yeah,
To
the
say
service
that.
wasn't good, honestly.
Yeah, you gotta talk to them
Because I always use British Airways, and I specifically chose not to go with Virgin or the new airlines that are coming up and say, you know what, British Airways veteran in the business, so let me go with them. Oh, yeah, I wasn't happy with the meal. There was a lot of drink provided, and even the
Tito.
water.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes, okay.
Oh, a lot
Man,
of
I
tea.
was I'll be eating all that. A
Yeah.
lot.
But you know what? It's almost like I pre-prepared. When in past times when I traveled with them,
Mm-hmm.
I get a lot of drink, a lot of I don't drink alcohol anymore, but when I was
But
traveling with
then
them, I was drinking, and they gave me lots of drink. They gave me water. They gave me juice. They gave me food. I actually had rice and peas and stuff, but no, it's almost like they hardly want to give you a bottle of water. And they give you some little tiny pretzels.
So is it that the fear decrease or increase? Like
Increase.
listen, you need to give the people more food.
It was horrible.
Listen, prepare yourself to give the people more food because whenever I'm going to England 9 hours, listen, right through the time I want something to eat.
Oh, well,
But I'm really happy that you're here though in Jamaica. What are some of the things that you have done so far? Anything exciting?
Unfortunately.
Not.
A lot of,
Are you planning on going anywhere like exciting? Like
I'm thinking about it. Definitely. As soon as everything is over, I definitely need a breather.
yeah.
I needed this trip, and so far I haven't had any kind of, fun.
What are some of the things that you were while you were living in Jamaica that you can call fun? Because for me, it might be my fun is not your fun. But then when you were here, what are some of the things that you used to do that was fun?
Like, I know I might sound boring, but the beach, like the beach is my go-to. The beach is my go-to. I love Dunn's River Falls. I heard that my favorite beach in Montego Bay, which they used to call Aquasol, I think they said that they've changed it and call it Harmony Beach now. So I really want to go there and see because I haven't been down here for a long time. And another thing is like getting day pass to hotels, go there mix and mingle and everything, and go like they're tourists.
Of course you are.
Even when they're no tourists.
Of course you are.
Oh my goodness.
How long ago you have been to Jamaica? You are away how long?
I came back 2016.
Okay.
I was here 2016.
That's still long.
Yeah, it's a couple of years.
That's like
is it about 7 years, I think?
that's like forever. Got married what? Yeah, that's like
it's
11
about
years.
yeah.
So
It's about 7 years, I should think, or
yeah.
eight-ish, kind of.
Like 20. We're in what 2025. 2025, girl, we'll make it.
We made it.
Yes.
Oh, we cross
Oh,
over.
we cross over. My soul. But I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna do anything. But guys, look out. I'm not sure what we can do together. But a lot of things for sure. I don't
a lot of vlogs. You'll be seeing me right here.
Yes, guys, please remember to check out Simone's TV right on the YouTube space here, and she's definitely growing faster than me.
No.
On this channel, right? Cousin TV, she's really growing. I came to like you're in on YouTube for how long?
What is it? 3 months? November, December. Yeah, the end of this month's gonna be 3 months.
3 months, and your subscriber is what?
I think 157. I saw last.
Wow. And then so road to road to 500K, and afterward road to 1K. You're getting there.
I'm trying.
Getting there.
I'm trying. On Christmas, I put a video out like it was like a couple of days before December end, and I thought to myself, I've seen people put it up like believe in God for so and so. So I think I was at 90 something, and then I put up that I'm believing God that by the end of December I'll make it up to 100 subscribers. Like the other day after I was at 113, I'm like, yeah.
Oh my god.
And then when I did a thank you video, I got like another 20 or something.
That's amazing. Keep going, guys. Keep going.
Go right now. Right now.
Right now. Right now.
I need 200 by the end of January.
That's like easy one too. I thought you were gonna say 500.
So for
Like,
her.
yeah, but for real. But follow me, guys. Listen, she needs to get up to like 500 right now. Like right now. So if you're watching me, please go over and subscribe after this video. We're so in.
After you finish watching all of this, please don't pull it out. Watch it.
No, yeah, please do.
Like, comment,
Who would not
share,
want to
subscribe.
Who would not want to watch your channel? Like you want to watch that girl every day and girl every
Is it?
Who would not want to watch your videos?
I don't know. It's not everybody like. So you know what? Some people don't like people with too happy all the time.
I see why. I see why you guys say it.
It's true.
Yeah.
Some people are naturally grumpy and they're like, I don't like this girl. She laughed too much.
You're like, we want to go where the grumpy people are.
Yeah, where the serious people are, we like just get to the point. Like, but I'm not.
But I really like your channel though.
You
I
do?
really like it. Yes,
I love
TV.
yours.
Yeah, I love it. I love when you do a voiceover. I know you don't like your voiceovers, but I love your voice. Guys, check her out. I love it. I don't know, but it's so calming.
Is it?
Yeah, because you roll your eyes a lot when you're doing the other videos.
Is this a tell all?
I'm like, girl, stop rolling eyes.
Okay, if you've got a friend, right, and you travel miles and miles and miles, and also after you travel miles and
What?
miles, you travel another miles and miles again to find their home, right? And this is how they tell you they're off is your real friend.
Oh.
They can tell you the truth.
Suspect is so rare. Yeah.
If they're doing the suspect challenge.
We need to do that one day. Oh my goodness.
Is
when
it?
I suspect. That's so funny sometimes when I say, what am I going to say about you if I do that? I don't know.
I don't know. Like, I was joking with my husband, like, I need you, to do this channel. And the things that he told me that he would say, I said, no. Because he's gonna say stuff like, me always a pray, me a walk and a pray and a cook and a pray and I talk to myself and all of that. I'm like, leave me alone.
That's good. That
Don't
when
pick
I
on
was
me.
thinking about you to do that, I was like, all I'm gonna say, she's a prayer warrior, she's an intercessor, she's a prayer warrior. Oh, say something different, prayer warrior, intercessor. She is.
Oh my gosh.
Man,
Oh my gosh.
Bible. She's a walking Bible.
Is it?
You are.
Oh God. I don't feel so.
Yeah.
I don't feel so.
Yeah. If you want to talk about anything like God related, like on marriage, this is the girl to call.
I thought she was gonna tell me that if I need to talk about it on my channel to invite her. I thought that was what you were coming
No,
up
you
with.
won't. Like I invite you a lot on my channel.
I know.
Yeah.
But you know what? It's not how much you know or what you're gonna talk about. It's just being comfortable around the person that you're doing it with.
That's true.
And respectful. Like when we get on, like if you put me, Minister Bailey, Sister Stacy, and we can have such sweet conversation. We just feel like we want to go on and on and
That's
on.
so true.
And even Minister Bailey's wife as well, you know.
Pick up yourself.
It's like people, yes, Sister Natasha. Sister Natasha, I'm in your backyard. Come see me.
Literally.
Yeah, so I guess it's the people, because you know what? Some people have this whole heap of knowledge in their head and they've got things their way, but when you can like dissect things with somebody else and
Yeah.
take what they're saying, their ideas,
Mhm.
not necessarily their opinions, the truth,
Yeah.
but they see it from a different point or a different angle.
Mhm.
It's good when you
Yeah,
can see
that's
eye
true.
to eye.
And you want to know, you don't want to hear like the same, but most time when we do talk on the other channel, it's like something different
Yeah.
always come out of it. Because sometimes it's like, the Bible is like, as we were talking about, whatever, we're talking about it, if we give each other like our 10 persons, St. John 3 verse 16, everybody will come with something different. And I
Yeah.
love to hear something different. I don't want to hear
Mhm.
the same AI over and over and over.
Yeah. And you have to accept that it's not just your interpretation.
Right,
It's correct.
right there, right there, right there.
And some interpretation you're not gonna hear it before. It's like when we were speaking the other time and I was telling you about that message that I heard, and I've never heard somebody preach that scripture
Mhm.
like that before, but
Mhm.
I'm not condemning it really.
Right.
I just need to go back and listen and see how I can understand it.
Right, right. Makes sense. Makes sense. So, guys, please remember to check out this beautiful, small, beautiful girl, Smalls TV. Please go over there and subscribe to her channel. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, tell them what to do.
Go subscribe right now. Right now. Are we not doing any more videos? Or we won't show you the exciting things that we've got planned?
Yeah.
She's whispering to me like that's a threat. I'm joking. Guys, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy our video. Like if you have YouTubers as your friend, it's Norm.
Yeah.
After the hugging and the squeezing, it's YouTube.
She smells so good.
What do I smell like? Foreign? My mom said I smell like foreign.
Bye guys, we're crazy. Bye.